Hi do-it-yourselfers, John here, just your average guy trying to simplify things around the house. So let's state today's problem. Our home's kitchen isn't very large, and there's nowhere to put the garbage can but out in the open. I hated this thing for obvious reasons, but on the plus side it was easy to open and close with just your foot. I wanted it out of sight, but still easy to access. So what to do? While there's lots of under-the-counter solutions, I hated the idea of having to pull open the door, lift open the lid, and then push it all closed again, especially if my hands are full with a cutting board or other crap. So you can buy a servo to motorize this, but that's crazy expensive and requires an outlet. The do-it-yourself solution posed a number of engineering problems to be solved. I needed something that would, first, automatically pop out with a foot kick. Second, open the trash can lid once it came out. Third, keep the lid closed when not in use to avoid smells. And fourth, hold the door closed when not in use. So here's what I came up with. First, I ordered this 35-quart Rev-A-Shelf retracting garbage can with lid on Amazon for 55 bucks. Then I ordered the accompanying Rev-A-Shelf heavy-duty door mounting kit for 20 bucks. Now this particular shelf is really made for a much narrower door opening than what I had to work with. This shelf's only 12 inches wide, but my base cabinet opening is 22 inches. The problem is the door mounting kit needs to attach to the door frame so that there's something to screw it into. I had to improvise. I cruised the aisles at Home Depot and found this super lightweight 36-inch by 1-inch aluminum bracket for 5 bucks. From there it was just cut to fit and voila. Perfect attachment for the bracket. I had to notch the lower piece to fit around the bracket and here at the ends so it didn't hit the cabinet opening when closed. Next problem, how to make the lid open. Back to Home Depot. I found a box of assorted springs for less than 10 bucks. I grabbed a few of the heavier ones and using some pliers modified them as you can see here. After that it was just drill a few holes in the lid and slip them through. Problem solved. Next problem, how to keep the lid closed when not in use. Back to the depot. Here I found a super cheap building strap, bent it to the desired shape, and screwed it up under the cabinet opening so it would push the lid closed when the trash can was pushed back in. Now, on to the last problem. How to keep the entire thing closed when not in use and give me that foot to push open action I wanted. This was the toughest problem, but again, cheaply solved with one last trip to the depot. For the foot push activation, I bought 2 of these spring-loaded cabinet door magnets, one for each side of the door. Because I use a couple of bungee cords to create enough force necessary to open the door all the way, these magnets alone were not strong enough to hold the door closed. The solution was adding this cabinet door roller catch right in the center where your foot strikes the cabinet door. Strong enough to hold it closed, yet loose enough to let it go when the door gets a foot kick. So that's it. A total spent of about 100 bucks. Foolproof and no electricity or motors needed. Thanks for watching.